today we're in the Japanese garden. So this garden is still pretty unknown to you guys, and I'll do a video tour of it soon. So today I'll be showing you how to prune water lilies. So the first step of pruning your water lilies is you want to make sure you know what type of water lily you have. So there are two main types. First the tropical and then the hardy. And then within those two types of water lilies, you either get a day blooming or a night blooming. So right here we've got a tropical day blooming. And as you can see, it's got some really pretty purple flowers. So a few telltale signs are that it's got scalloped edges on the leaves, and it doesn't have that big of a gap between here. So now that I know what type of water lily I have, I want to see what I need to prune. So right here, I can recognize that I need to definitely prune this because it's dead. So any dead or dying leaves, you want to prune. So the goal of trimming your leaves is that you want to make sure that you trim as close to the base as possible. So you want to trim closest to there. So you may have to get a little wet for this, but it's okay. So I just want to trim right there, should be good. And then pull it out. And then add it to your compost bin or throw it away. So now I want to trim this leaf as well because it is turning yellow. So I know this is starting to die because it doesn't look too healthy. So I want to go closest to the base. And lastly, I'll be trimming this one because it is also starting to die. So it might be a little tangled, and you want to make sure that you're trimming the right leaf. And if you want, you can go ahead and trim your old flowers that have already bloomed. So once they bloomed, they go back into the water. So you want to keep track of which flowers have bloomed so you don't accidentally trim a bud. So I know for a fact that this one right here has bloomed already. So I'm just going to trim it so that it doesn't rot. And you want to consistently check on your pond and feed the fish and make sure that all your plants are doing well. So now my water lily is looking a lot healthier without those dead leaves. And you want to make sure anytime that you see any dead leaves or bloomed flowers to trim them. If you liked and learned something from this video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or requests, please let me know in the comments down below. See you next time. Bye!